Welcome to our family channel, beautiful people. So how are you all doing? Hope you are doing great. Welcome to Susan and family. So beautiful people, today I'm going to show you how to make a sweet homemade pancake. So here is it. Here is my pancake here. In here is already a mixed pancake with the flour, with the sugar, and all we need to mix flour for pancake is already prepared here. So as you can see, I don't need to mix it anymore with flour. The flour and all the ingredients we need for the pancake is here. So the only thing I just need is a bowl. I have my bowl here, and the mixer. I have my mixer there. You see the mixer and my bowl. So my first step, I'm just going to pour this already prepared pancake. I'm going to pour it in my bowl and with my mixer, and I'm going to add my milk, just the milk to mix it. And then the next step is I'm going to put butter on my pan, and my pancake will start ready. So here is it. So it's already mixed one. It's a prepared pancake mixed one that I don't need to mix it with any ingredients. All the ingredients for pancake is in here. So let's get started, beautiful people. So here is it. It's here. The bowl is there, the mixer is there, the milk is there, the butter is there, the pan is already on the gas. So beautiful people, I'm going to use 2-pack. So it's written we are going to get like 10 pancakes out of 1 pack. So I opened the 2-pack already. So it's better I use the 2-pack. It's already opened, you know. So here is it. Here is the 2nd pack. So the next step is just for me to pour the milk inside. Depends on how thick you want it to be. So I'm going to mix with my mixer. So as I earlier said, guys, all the ingredients is in already, so I don't need to add sugar. I'm just going to have the sweet homemade pancake the way it's mixed already. You know, I'm not going to add sugar. So let's see how the taste is going to look. If it's not going to taste sweet, so next time I'll know that I'm going to add little sugar. So it's better to try just the way the instruction came, you know. Trying to mix it, and I don't also want it to be too soft. I don't want it to be too strong, you know. So I'm going to be careful. It's too thick. My daughter is helping me to mix it properly. She said it needs to be more lighter because she did already the pancake, I think last month. Mama, you did it in the school. So she's telling me, Mama, we need to add more milk. That she wants to help me to mix it good. When it's mixed properly, Mommy, you will tell me, okay?
Yes.
Is it okay or more?
More.
Okay, see you guys later. My daughter is helping me out to make it easier for me. Let's see, Mommy, the way you mixed it. It's perfect, eh? You did it very good. So So beautiful people, as you can see, it's so mixed properly. My daughter did a great job. She mixed the pancake very good. So the next step is for me to on the gas. The pan is on the gas. I just need to on the gas now. And I'm going to put the butter. Not too much. This is okay for one pancake. And then I'm just going to put direct my pancake in. Okay. So beautiful people, I just need to turn it to the other side. Yes. Both sides have to be, prepared good for the sweet homemade pancake. Here is it, beautiful people. Our first pancake is ready, and here we have the continuous process. So I'm going to, make sure that I'm going to make all the pancake. So here is it. See you guys later. Here we are, beautiful people. The pancake is almost ready all through. So I still have some few to do. Here is it. So here is sweet homemade pancake. See you guys later. Here we are, beautiful people. Our sweet pancake is ready for eating. Yummy, yummy. So you see the way we did it. It's so easy procedure. So here we have caramel. So I'm just going to add a little caramel on top of our pancake. Here is it. Thanks for watching. Hope you love this video and hope you find this video inspiring. Please don't forget to subscribe to Susan and Family TV, and please do share this video. See you in our next video by His grace. Thanks for watching. Here is our homemade sweet pancakes. See you. Bye.